Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an item to your wish list in the Bimba Lola application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner, and close to that you will be able to find the search bar symbol. Press on it, and here you can just search up items, for example shoes. And after doing so, let's say you like a shoe here, you can just select it, and here you can check out the colors. Up there you can see, you can change it, you can check out the details, the price and everything. And if you really like the item and you want to add it to your wish list, you can see the heart symbol right next to its name. You can just press on it, and the product has been added to your wish list. Now you can go back to your home page, and now you should look at the top of your right corner once again. You can press on the zero symbol there, and here you can see that right now we are in the shopping bag section, and right next to it you will see the wish list, and if you press on it you will be able to see the item there. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Bye bye.